Today we'll talk about how can you find your subscriptions on your WhatsApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, you click on sales, then it's going to show for you list like this. You click on subscriptions here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Here you will find all subscriptions you have. I have no subscriptions yet. So but if you have it, you just click on this sign. Then here can you set a pricing plan here. So if you have it automatically, it's going to show for you like this. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.